Hello everyone! In this episode, I'll talk to you about some of the mathematical operations that can be performed in Java. I will also talk to you about the operators, the signs in Java that are used to perform the said operations. You already learned about the assignment operator, an equal sign, which allocates the value to a variable. And even though it is not exactly a mathematical operator, it is still extremely important for mathematical operations, since the value produced from addition, subtraction, division, etc. has to be stored somewhere. The assignment operator works like this. Everything on the right of it is reduced to a single value, while the arithmetic operators, the operators used to perform mathematical calculations, and saved into the variable on the left. There are 6 main arithmetic operators in Java, used for addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and the last one is called modulus, which basically finds the remainder after a division. Let's look at all of them closely. Let's look at addition first. It's done with a plus sign. Since the sum of the two numbers is just an integer value, we have to do something with it. For example, save it into a variable. Or possibly even print it out. As you can see over here, it's exactly the same logic applied over here. Just print out this value instead of assigning it to the variable. You could also split the definition and initialization into different lines. You can see over here. Same goes for all other arithmetic operations. You can also firstly print it out, and secondly you can always split it into 2 separate lines. Here's how you subtract in Java. It's done using a minus sign. Division is done by using the front slash symbol. So you write something at the left and you divide it by something at the right. In case the number on the left is not precisely divisible by the number on the right, it poses a problem since the answer is not an integer. Therefore, it cannot be saved into int data type variable. Like over here, 5, when it's divided by 3, it's not exactly divisible by 3, so it has to be a decimal. However, over here we can only save integers. Well, what happens in the end? The thing is that this will not cause an error. And the way that Java is dealing with it is removing everything beyond the decimal and just leaving the whole numbers only. So let's say 5 by 3 will be 1.666666 and so on. And if it is going to be saved into the int data type, it's just going to turn into 1, because everything which was at the right of the decimal, everything is just removed or dropped. Another arithmetic operation used is multiply. The star symbol is used for this. Another arithmetic operation that I would like to present today is modulus. It is used to find out the remainder of the division of the number on the left by the number on the right. For example, in this case, when 4 is divided by 3. Basically, it would be one whole consisting of basically the 3, and the 1 will be the remainder, because 3 is completely divisible by 3, and there is the 1 left over, which will be basically 1/3 if that's a fraction. However, that 1 is basically the remainder in this case. The last arithmetic operation I wanted to talk today about is exponents. So for raising one number to the power of another number, we use the symbol called caret. So, for example, in this example, 3 to the power of 2 is what the line says. So the number of the left to the power of number on the right. So 3 squared, as you might say. There is one more thing. A number of operations can be performed on the same line. The order of how they are solved is as follows. First, go the brackets. So over here, as you can see, first we solve everything in the brackets and just 1 over here, so it is 10. Then go the exponents. So as you can see over here, there was exponent 3 to the power of 2. Now it's just a 9, because 3 squared is 9. Then goes the division. So over here it's 10 divided by 10, which is just 1. Then goes the multiplication. So over here 9 times 5 equals to 45. Then in the end go the addition and subtraction. Ooh, nice. Thank you for watching another episode of Java Basics. Hope you like the series. In the next episode, we are going to talk about using variables alongside the arithmetic operations. So stay tuned for more videos, and have a nice day.